Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In my last video I talked about that we should all have an emergency fund, and I mentioned that open your eyes and realize that one income stream is not going to do it. So here I am to tell you about the 4 best side hustles for you, which anyone can do it at any age. So the first side hustle is dropshipping. Dropshipping is really good for anyone just with the computer and the internet. Dropshipping is where you advertise someone's product and sell them on the internet. Then the manufacturer send out the product directly to your customers, which is great. And I'm sure most of you will say,
But Akbar, dropshipping is terrible. Literally adds zero value to society. Do something more decent instead of terrible advice.
wait. Hold the horses. Let me explain. Dropshipping won't make you a millionaire like the online guru selling course is gonna tell you. The market is extremely competitive. The profits are very low and it's not a long-term business. But I still think it's really great way to learn how to run a business with very little costs. Dropshipping is like a trial run. You're jumping in a deep and extremely competitive market. It might take a while to you to make a profit, but the skills you learn along the way to it worth so much more to you. In fact, they're gonna be so much worse to you than the money. Alright, so the second way to make some extra money is by starting with the dividend investment. Now, this is really cool stuff, but it's not gonna make you thousands of dollars every month unless you have a lot of money sitting in the bank. But honestly, it's good if you have money there and you want to put it to some use. So I will explain you quickly what the dividend investment is all about. Now the dividends are just a small payout. You get them at every quarter of the year and you get them from the companies that you invest in on the stock market. Let's say you invest in like Coca-Cola. They're gonna pay you dividends every few months and it's gonna be kind of share of their profit as a thank you. There is a lot of people do this very well, obviously, like Warren Buffett. He's got a huge net worth. He's got $100 billion and he makes a lot of money every year with just 3 dividends alone. If you have some money lying in the bank and you want to put it to some use, I would recommend you to checking out the big companies like Coca-Cola, Google, Apple, pay you dividends and you can make a bit of extra money every few months, which is nice because, it's not gonna make you any money in the bank. So the third side hustle is become a tutor. One of the easiest thing you could do is I turn around about $20 per hour. Most of people have some kind of skill which other people are interested in learning. And it's all about finding that skill and offering to teach it to them. Okay guys, last one is start learning about digital marketing and YouTube. Very similar side hustle. It's very competitive and it will focus you to level up your video production and your marketing skills. And all you need to start this as a phone, a decent internet connection, and some editing skills. And this is all guys. Don't forget to give it thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and see you soon on the next video.